So hello everyone, welcome to Programming Knowledge. In the last video, we have created a exit dialog box. So this was the exit dialog box. Now we just created a UI. In this video, we are going to see about the PopScope widget. What is this PopScope widget? It is put above the scaffold just to listen whether the scaffold is getting popped or not. If it is getting popped, so it should get popped or not. Basically, this is just the it's a kind of listener which listens whether we are popping it or not. If you are popping the page, so if you want to perform some action before popping, so you can do that. Mostly it done when you click on the back button, so a dialog box appears and it asks user whether you surely want to pop exit the app or not. So how to do that? How to achieve that function into app? As if you see, if we click on back, so we are just getting from that, like directly the app is getting closed. So the very first thing, this dialog box will return something, will return a bool. Whether if it returns true, then you have to pop, and if it doesn't, you don't have to pop it. Then if a user clicks no, the pop should be false. And this time we are putting Navigator pop here as well, because whether user does click, like whether user do want to pop the uh like exit from the app, or user doesn't, but user have to, like, this pop-up should get popped in any both of the case. So we are doing that only. Then we have to return and await for the response. Save this. Now in the show dialog, what it's actually doing right now, let's see that. First we are going to show a dialog box. What it will return, we'll see that. Okay, so we are getting error because of this await and async. If think over here, we have also log code developers. Save this. Now opening this, and if I click on show and click on no, then you can see we have logged the false. And if you click on show, we click on yes, so we have logged it true. So yeah, it is working. Now we can achieve use the PopScope. As I mentioned earlier, PopScope should be above the scaffold. So wrap the widget, wrap a scaffold with the PopScope. Now the very first thing, we also have one more widget to do that. That is WillPopScope, but this will get like decrypt. It's already decrypted, uh, uh, deprecated. So it can be removed from the Flutter. So instead of using that, you can use PopScope. The very first flag which you have to it false, that is can pop. If user clicks on that, user should not get pop. Just save this, and if I click on back button, so I'm not able to pop the screen. You can now we will listen this pop, and it will return and pop and result. Basically, this can pop is the same thing. Just it will notice what is over here and it will return that. Now everything, every code will be written here. What you can do over here now, we'll check if can pop. If user can pop, then what you have. If user can't pop this, if user can't pop, because as I use not operator, so what it should, as for now user can't pop. So if user can't pop, then you have to show a dialog box. So let's see, let's show a dialog box. Final exit app equal will await and will a dialog box. As we are using await, you have to use async over here. Then if the response, if exit app, if the dialog is returning true, then we have to close the app. But this time we won't be using Navigator.pop because it will just pop this scaffold, this view, not the complete app. What you can do, we have option for system navigator. You can use, or else we have one more thing, that is exit. There is difference between these two. First, this will kill the complete app. You won't like basically kill the complete app. By that I mean it will remove from the background also, and system navigator will move this to the recent tabs. Okay, just hot restart the app after making this as it is rerun. Now, what is this code logic? Basically, if it can pop, if it can't, then show a dialog box. And it the dialog box returns true, then just pop the app. Click on show, yes and no. Doesn't matter, right? It is click on the click of show. But if you click on the back button, so it will show a dialog box. If you click on no, then it will work simply fine as the app goes. But if we click on back, if you click on yes, the app will get terminated. And if you just go to recent, so find your app link, and you can just restart app. This is how the PopScope works, and this is how we can create our own exit dialog box. So that's it for today's video. Thank you.